Today I'm going to tell you how to record your Zoom lectures. First of all, you need to install your Zoom app in your laptop or your computer. So on Google you will write Zoom and then you will click on the download option. Then through this you will download Zoom. After this, an icon like this will appear. When you will click on this, then this is what will appear on your screen. You need to sign in order to have your class. You can sign in through the Google, directly through Google, or you can create another account of yours on Google by signing up free. So I have created my account, that's why I'm signing in directly. After signing in, this is the screen that will appear after signing in. So you need to start a new meeting. When you will click on this will appear on your screen. So you need to connect with the audio of your computer. After clicking this, you are in now. So you first of all, in order to conduct your lecture, you need to share your screen. So this is the screen that I want to share, or the lecture that I want to give. Either you can double click it or you can single click and then share. So now you can see that your screen is shared with the students. This clearly indicates that your screen is shared. So there are different options here. Mute. If there is a cross, it means your voice is not audible to the student. So you need to unmute yourself. If you want to share your video, then you need to do this as well. Then this is the participant. As this is just a demo, so I'm the only one here. Otherwise, the list of all the students will be mentioned here. Will come here. Then here, when you will move here, then there is an option record. You need to click on this in order to start your recording. So now your recording has started. You can go through the whole lecture, whatever recording, whatever lecture you want to give. Keep on recording on all the slides, and then finally you need to stop it. After recording, stop this recording, and then you can have discussion with the students. It will be a clear. If you mute the students, then all the lecture will be clearly recorded, and then you can have discussion with the students. And then after the completion of your lecture, you need to end this meeting. And for all, when you will click on this, then this screen will appear. This is converting your recording. So this appears over here. So you need to click this one. And here you can see that this is the recording of your lecture. Whatever you have explained, whatever you have taught, whatever you have done is mentioned here. So this is how you can record your lectures through Zoom, and you can conduct your classes very smoothly. I hope this video is helpful to all of you. If you feel it's helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.